Quality doesn't fail at final inspection, it fails long before that. And when you're producing millions of finished products from over 25,000 custom components, nothing can be left to chance. A manufacturing quality control system at this scale has to catch issues early across all stages and not just at the end. Here's how we built ours at Komaspec. First, it's a smart factory approach with real-time monitoring, transparency, traceability, and because it's a fully digital system, it does what other manual systems struggle to do. It gets better over time, systematically. Ours runs across 4 stages: incoming quality control, process quality control, in-process quality control, and final quality control. And it starts with our people, all of them, because here at Komaspec, quality isn't controlled by a single department. It's owned by everyone on the floor, working as a quality-aware inspector, checking their own work as they go. And our dedicated QC team is the safeguard behind them, specialists who provide an independent layer of quality verification. Their tasks are assigned and tracked digitally, so each inspector knows exactly what they own. Accountability is built in, and every quality check becomes a visible, measurable, and traceable event. We hold to a simple rule: inspect what you expect, but that only works when the expectations are clear. That's why every inspection plan ties directly to the engineering drawings with annotated callouts. Inspectors know exactly what to check, where to check, and to what standard. No guesswork, and nothing gets missed. And for responsibility, it's clearly defined and shared, with in-process quality control checks run right at the line by the people closest to the work, with team leaders and operators catching issues as they happen. This is the first line of defense. For incoming quality control, process quality control, and final quality control, those tasks sit with our dedicated QC department. They're the safeguard, the backstop that ensures nothing slips through. And when something does go wrong, the system responds instantly. The moment a check fails, it triggers an automatic alert and status change that every relevant team member can see. The right people getting the right information at the right time. Problems surface immediately and get fixed before they move downstream. Every inspection also generates an instant digital report that is permanent, fully traceable, and can be recalled in seconds. And over time, these reports are worth more because every check becomes a data point where patterns become visible, and we can track the issue to the root cause, tighten the process to ensure it doesn't recur, making each problem solved a permanent guardrail. So the system doesn't just control quality, it compounds it. That's what a quality control system for top-tier manufacturing actually looks like. Real-time monitoring, full traceability, and always improving. Because quality isn't something you expect into a product, it's something you build into the process. If you've got a project in development, get in touch with our team at komaspec.com to discuss the right quality control inspection plan for your unique product. We'd be happy to help.